Okay, it turned out I had 5 degrees of spring back on that first bend, so I had to take it out, measure it, and found out it was 5 degrees short, and I put it back in the bender and did another 5 degrees, and it came out just at 25 degrees, which is what I was ultimately shooting for. So now I've put the tube, slid the tube forward about 6.5 inches from my mark that I made on my little tube bending 101 diagram, and we're ready to start the next bend here. Shooting for about 50, so I'm going to shut it off and put some lubrication and then check the final angles.